How to get crystal clear spotless skin tone within 2 hours. This is the most wonderful remedy to use to get rid of dark circles under your eyes, lessen wrinkles, minimize age spots and pigmentation. Your skin will be thoroughly cleansed and moisturized in a cost-effective and natural way. And it will look stunning. No more expensive cosmetics for you. Ingredients: pomegranate, lemon juice, curd or yogurt, full-fat milk, tomato juice, pomegranate. Instructions: eat the pomegranate, which is rich in antioxidants and brilliant as an immune booster and anti-aging. Do not throw away the peels. Dry them in the sunlight. When totally dry, grind into a powder. Store in an airtight container. Second step: mix 3 drops of lemon juice with 1 tablespoon of yogurt, 1 tablespoon of fresh tomato juice, and 2 tablespoons of full-fat milk. Process all together. Add a teaspoon of natural honey. Mix a little more and add some pomegranate mix. Dab this on your face as a mask and leave it on to dry, approximately 15 minutes. Rinse with cold water. Look, you will be astonished at the results. Beautiful shiny skin, clear and gleaming, with minimized wrinkles and no more dark rings under your eyes. If you like the video, give it a thumb up and share it with your friends. If you want more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.